Salesforce Financial Services Cloud allows a loan manager or loan officer, once an application has been qualified, to then walk the customer or client through the application documents that need their attention, or to ask them qualifying questions for the needs of that particular application. So here, through Sophia Lopez's view, we understand her performance, her total applications, by amount, by completion rate, and by her lead conversion rate. From here, we want to go to applications needing my attention and toggle on missing documents. And here we see that Richard Bennett is missing 5. So we're going to open his record, and we can do that straight from the dashboard. And so here we're going to get an all-encompassing view of everything that's owed, all the documents that have been submitted, all the tasks that have been performed, and even the ability to look at some of these particular documents right here from this screen. So a really good interface to be able to see everything that is needed from my end. And then this action plan will give me a view of all the tasks that are required, their due dates, and all the documents that have or have not been submitted. So here I can see that this bank account statement was rejected. So I'm going to drill down a little bit into this and see the approval history. So it seems that I need proof of income for large deposit. Perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a step back and we're going to look into Richard Bennett's view of the lending portal. So we can easily do this by logging in as Richard Bennett within the portal. And here within this portal, it's a good way to initiate a live chat conversation, to start any new applications, to create cases, and to schedule new appointments with my loan manager, loan officer. From here, we'll go to applications. And that same mortgage application that we saw Sophia working on, I now have access to that too. So I can take a look at the documents that need my attention, and I can see that that was rejected as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here. I'm going to @mention Sophia. And I'm also going to attach that document that I've got for proof of income. Here you go. We should be all set. Perfect. So there we go. So if I log out of this now and go back to what Sophia saw, I should be getting a notification through that little bell. And there we go. Sophia Lopez, here you go. We should be all set. So I can mark that as complete. And I can continue to work through this opportunity to a stage of approval. And we can work to fund that and send out that document that will confirm the interest rate, the terms and conditions, and really get Richard Bennett excited for his new home. All of this is done in the single platform with the lending community that Richard saw, as well as working on this flow through Salesforce for a mortgage application.